close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Souls colliding, we shared the pieces of ourselves. It's perfect timing now. We fueled the flames, but we're still learning to trust, learning to trust. It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me up. Don't fight the fire, too much too fast will burn us out. We walk the wire, love. Don't make me read your mind, I know it. Learning to trust, learning to trust. It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me up. I won't fall when I'm picking you up. With my hand, I will be strong enough. Our love is stronger, and I'll be here. My lead, now we're taking the jump. My pride, cause I know you're the one. Our love is stronger. Baby, I know that it's stronger than yesterday. Two sparks igniting, we left some space for us to breathe. My head is quiet now. I could rest in peace, cause you are more than enough, more than enough. Feeling the rush, feeling the rush. Burning in love, burning in love. Two souls united. This roaring blaze is soaring free. If you ever get tired of love, I'll sing you gently to sleep, cause you're still more than enough, more than enough. Feeling the rush, feeling the rush.
Hi guys! I've recently been collecting cards at Tanjitsu Go and have successfully swapped them for loads. Have you guys been playing the Tanjitsu Go card event lately too?
Yes. I started the Tanjitsu Go card collection campaign as per your video last week. But I haven't managed to swap it for loads yet. Do you have any other ways to get more stars? That way I can swap loads sooner to buy the ML props I want.
Of course, I found that there is a shiny collection in the card collection event. You can open the treasure box every day. After entering a total of 12 levels, each level to choose one of 5, you can select the reward to accumulate the pool. You can exit the game at any time and take away the Po. Very interesting. Open the golden wild card will have a chance to get Ghoster rewards.
Is every level option a bonus?
If you are unlucky, you can select the bomb, which will lose all the rewards in the pool. But we can choose the paid revive area to collect the rewards we get, and we do have one free revive opportunity.
Wow, this is too exciting.
Yes, I got 10 Ghosters through this shiny collection, and with the Ghoster rewards I got from other events in the collection, I managed to exchange it for 100 load to buy the new ML skin. Look, how is my ML skin?
It looks great, and it's the ML skin I want the most. I'm going to play the shiny collection event later to get my own level rewards.
I want to join you guys too.
Then click the download link in my description section to download Tanjitsu Go and get your own level rewards.